Grand Alcove Hotel. Cheaper. And you're right to Naga. Look, you're outside food places, so you can get some nice food. Got lumpia.
This one is vegetable onion. You favorite that, right?
Yeah, we'll not tell the subscribers what you call them though. That's pig, isn't it?
Yeah. This one is squash.
Squash, that makes meal. That's banana. That's banana. And the brown noodles are like lumpia. Yeah. So you're right outside to get some food. Now you know guys, when you come here, if you're looking for a Filipina and you turn your nose up at something like this, then with all due respect, don't come to the Philippines, because the chances are the person you're going to meet is going to live somewhere like where I'm living now, what people call a squatter area.
Oh, there's another one down here.
Yeah.
But this one is the cheaper. I will recommend. If like you have no money, right?
You're recommending not the beloved, because that sounds very romantic. That one, Mel.
Yeah.
Beloved. Are you my beloved?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
So let's go and have a look at some prices, and we'll try and have a look at a room if they'll let one.
How much?
I'm not even gonna guess, Mel.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'm coming. First impressions? Well, I can't smell any bad smells, so that's good, isn't it?
My cousin, because she worked here before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And how much?
Ate, magkano yung room? Ay, wala lang. Ate,
Room 35 po, ma'am, ang available.
ha?
35 po.
Ay, hindi daw kayo mag-check-in ng before lang.
Yan po ang mga room rates.
And here, the room rates. May wifi hindi, ate? There's no wifi.
So we've got room rates, which looks like the most expensive is 770. Oh, sorry, 1,000. What's this? One double bed, one single bed. Oh, that's a big
Okay.
room. You don't
Okay,
want
but-
something like that.
This one lang.
So yeah, so the cheapest is going to be about 470 pesos. Is that just per night, Ate? Per night?
Per night.
Yeah, so that's per night. No breakfast?
No breakfast.
No breakfast, no Wi-Fi.
That's what.
So it's
cheaper.
budget.
Yeah, it's in the budget.
Is it possible to have a look at a room, Ate?
Kasi ate, ano siya, vlogger siya. Kumbaga, so yung mga gustong magbili sa Naga, foreigner, naghahapot sa iya kung saan pwedeng mag-stay na barato lang, mararakin. Kaya nag-inquire siya. Yes.
35 feet na show.
Thank you, Ate.
Ay, wait lang, sir.
Ay, wait lang. Don't be excited.
Yung lalaki sa lang susi.
Ay, give ka po. Dito po ma. Let's follow mo.
So it smells good.
Elevator is hard.
Yeah, which is always a good sign.
It's not bad.
No, it's all right. It's all right. I'd stay here.
It's not bad, right? It's alright.
Yeah, it's got aircon.
It's nice also.
It's not bad
It's
at all.
alright. It's not bad. How much is it?
It's 470 a night. 470 pesos.
Toilet.
So if Mel kicks me out, I know where to come now.
Yeah.
So there's the toilet. Oh, it's very nice, guys. It's very nice.
Look, the ano.
Shower and a pot to you know what in.
Ano kaya ko yung order siya? Ano ka siya, vlogger siya? Kung may nag-inquire, isa in pwede.
That's it. A little bit of somewhere to put your stuff. Yeah.
We can stay here tonight.
Yeah, if you want.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you.
It's not bad. It's alright.
Yeah, it's alright.
How much again?
470 pesos per night, but that's
Okay.
just per night. Ask her what time you can book in, Mal. And
Ano
then-
oras
and
kuya
then-
pwede magpabook dito? Anytime? Anytime.
anytime the day previous. And what time do you have to leave the next day?
So, it depends if how like for example, pag halimbawa kuya nag-log siyang
If I come at 4 o'clock
afternoon.
what time do I have to leave?
For same time also.
Oh well, that's 24 hours then,
Yeah,
isn't it?
24 hours.
There you go. So there you go then, guys. 470 pesos if you're on a budget. You can't do fairer than that.
So this is the second.
This is the third.
No, I mean preferred.
Yeah,
Second.
second preferred.
If we have no money.
Obviously, I'd stay at that first one because it is lovely.
Yes.
Uh,
Not like you're not choosy, right? You can stay
no, I'm not
here.
choosy.
Yeah, you can stay here, right?
Beggars can't be choosy. So there you go, guys. So we're on to the Eurotel next.
Yeah. See you.
So there you go. You see, we're walking to the Eurotel to show you guys where it is and how much it is and this, that, and the other. And we've come too late. There's 8 apples for 50 pesos,
It's cheaper.
and there was only 8 left. I would have bought quite a few
If you buy
because these are 25 pesos for 2. They're quite big, but they're not that big, and they're not worth 25 pesos. So that's like 25 pesos is 50 cents. Just a little bit less than 50 cents.
yeah, but if you go to other place, it's called I know the regular price of the apple is 10 pesos.
Yeah, they're normally 10 pesos each, guys. They're not too bad. Oranges as well, but there's no oranges at the moment.
Yeah, they have, but expensive now. As of now,
I mean the cheap oranges, babe.
okay.
Calm yourself down. Sorry, I didn't explain myself. There's no cheap oranges at the moment. There's expensive everything. Oh, don't take them that way, Mel. No, this way, babe. Because they'll think, oh no, I'm not walking down there. No, so you can see straight in front, the People's Mall. Top floor is the best place to go for your veg and some fruits like pineapple and what have you. And you can get t-shirts, well, you can get everything basically. And here you are, look, if you need any keys cutting. So here we are. Now you can't get lost. There's the Eurotel sign there. And it's right next to the flood defences. And no, it doesn't flood. So there's one of the military monuments. Which is a good landmark in Naga. So you walk around, you get lost, you see that, you know where the Eurotel is. I surprisingly know my way around quite well now. Back roads, the quick roads as well. I shocked you the other day when I got from SM over to 101, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you know this road? I know some things.
It's been 3 years you stay here, that's why you know.
Ooh, calm down, 3 years. So you go over that bridge and there's a big 101 store. It's a cheap store where you get tools, electrical goods, bedding, all that kind of thing. You can get anything you want in Naga basically. So there you go. There's not a lot of fruit to choose from at the moment.
The price of the orange.
Look at that tiny little orange, 20 pesos, not a chance. So here's the Eurotel look. Now again, I don't need to show you the rooms because the rooms are lovely. You know, you are getting what you pay for. But we will go in and have a talk about prices and whether you get free breakfast and stuff, although obviously it's not free, you pay for it. But breakfast is in with your payment. Let's go and have a look at the flood defences. Now this is when, oh guys, the Peña Francia, I keep trying to remind you about the Peña Francia. Get to Naga for the Peña Francia. You'll love it, honestly, you will love it. You'll not regret it. Now to say it's rainy season, this isn't very full because it's normally right up here in the rainy season, but it's not. So you're right next to this if you come to the Eurotel lot.
Yes, and then we're doing this because Fiesta is coming.
Fiesta, the Peña Francia. I've just told them, get your room booked because if you leave it much later, you're not going to be able to get a hotel room because they'll be fully booked if they're not fully booked already. So if you look on here, look, you can see the pictures of the rooms, how lovely they are, and there's a 40% discount for all daily walk-in guests. So if you just walk in, you'll get a 40% discount. Look, you've got police outside, which they're not normally there, by the way. I'm only messing. You see how lovely it is. Oh, it smells gorgeous in here as well. There's a big ano. Yeah, that is a big ano. Wow. It is a big ano.
It's very cold outside.
Yeah, it's nice and cool because of the air conditioning. Come on then, let's ask the prices.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We'd like to know some prices.
Mag-inquire lang ate kung how much yung eto po. There's a price.
Right.
May ano pa ate? May free wifi here?
Yes po.
Breakfast?
Meron na rin.
They have also 2,775.
That's the cheapest room.
Yeah.
And do you get like evening buffet or is it just breakfast?
Just breakfast.
Just
Just
breakfast
breakfast.
for 2,700.
75. Yeah. With free wifi also.
But
Free
if,
wifi ate na?
Yes po.
Yeah.
right, so it's 2,700. I've just walked in off the street. I get 40% discount, do I?
Yes sir.
There you go.
But you're foreigner, right?
So I get 40% discount plus I get the foreigners discount another 20%.
So how much ko ay magkano ate kung ilalas yung 40?
2,775 less 40% is 1,665.
Ah, there you go. You see, there you go.
1,665.
That's brilliant.
2,775 less 40. 1,665.
So
But the
1,665.
40% promo without breakfast.
Right. Oh, well, that's not much discount then, is it? My God.
Pwede ba amayding ang room?
Yes, sige.
Yeah.
Oh, we can have a look at the room.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's what I said. Why you repeat?
All right, calm down.
Kasi ante ano siya, vlogger siya. Di mapes tabaga, di ba? Gusto niyang ano, may nag-i-inquire na kung saan pwede mag-stay. Yan. Same.
Pa-showroom ko na lang.
Thank you, Ate.
This Victor. The other one, they don't come. Please lang po mo.
Thank you.
Start to ano. Baba na. Pero,
Rock 14 hanggang kilo. Ang 56.
Don't faint, I can't pick you up, you're too heavy.
This way, sir.
Thank you. It smells nice everywhere, doesn't it?
Is it nice, right?
Yeah, it smells beautiful. Should do though for that, over 2,000. And just breakfast. How many rooms is there in this hotel?
80 plus, sir.
80 plus, my God.
Here's the studio room, sir.
So this is the cheapest room, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So this is what you'll pay 2,700 for. Very
You
nice.
have discount, right? 40%?
Yeah, well that's only at the moment, isn't it? And if you get the discount, you don't get the breakfast, so you're not really saving anything, are you? So look in here. Look at that, very clean. It's beautiful. Maganda. That's really nice. That's why it's so expensive, because it's
It's nice.
lovely and clean. It's
Yes,
beautiful.
Cabinet.
Yeah. Somewhere to put your clothes. It's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So that's it, guys. That's the last hotel. And when it's Peña Francia time, this hotel will be booked full. You'll not be able to get a room. So if you're coming for the Peña Francia, you need to get booked now while there's still spaces. This reminds me of the Avenue Hotel, actually.
Good afternoon. Yes, sir.
Kaya pa yan.
Kaya po.
Hey sir. Hey sir. Hey sir. Aren't you that YouTube vlogger? Oh yeah, I thought I recognized your face. I've seen some of your videos.
Oh, cool. Are you a subscriber?
No, not yet.
My word.
Well, I'll be now.
Well, you'll be on the video, so you got to subscribe.
Oh goodness. That would be awesome.
Thank you very much, Ate. Thank you.
Kuya, thank you. Second time na, right?
What?
But ano?
Yes, I'm getting famous, guys. I keep getting recognized.
Then we go to ano, Vistamor, right?
Yeah, but she didn't say, are you that famous YouTube blogger?
I feel dizzy.
You dizzy? Well, don't faint because you're too big. I can't pick you up. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative.
So you need guys to book na. Because this
So-
is coming, right?
If you're going to book a hotel, book the first one.
Yeah.
That is our recommendation, definitely. Yeah?
Yeah, but yeah.
So until the next video,
About me.
over to you.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye.
Yeah. Share our videos, guys. See you on the next one.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a light. Life is happy